I've said it before, Comica is winning. Check out the new BooMax, 32 gig internal recording, 32-bit float, 2 polar patterns. This is crazy, you know what I'm saying? Next level, under $200. Nobody beating that. Come on, let's get into it. Let's go. Welcome back to Reshoot Films, where I talk about filmmaking and Unreal Engine, so make sure to subscribe today. So before I get started, Comica sent me this out just to review. They don't tell me what to say, what to think, nothing like that. I do what I do. You know what it is. So Comica did it again, man. They sent me this dual wireless microphone set. You just cannot not look at this. You feel me? As I've already stated, this is a dual wireless audio system that gives you 48 kilohertz, 32-bit float, and 32 gig internal recording. The receiver has an IPS touchscreen, and the battery life for the transmitters are 10 hours, and the case is 20 hours. It gives you a total of 40 hours with the system. And as always, this is a 2.4 gigahertz system. And make sure to download the app to your phone, because for me, that's really the best way to control this. And like no other company has done that I know of, they give you 2 polar patterns for this, omnidirectional and cardioid. We'll talk a little more about that a little later, but I have not seen that in any other wireless microphone system. 3 EQ options and 2 denoising options. And as far as how far I can go, they give it to about 656 feet. So what's in the bag, what's in the case? This is it right here. Waterproof case. I love this. I don't know if you want to call it a pouch, a case, whatever you want to call it, but it's waterproof and it's dope. Open it up and you got everything you need inside. Right here, you got that beautiful comical orange, and that's where you have your main system. Boom. And then on the side here, they give you a USB-C to USB-A adapter cable and a 3.5 millimeter cable to hook up to your cameras. And also on this side, they give you your windscreen for both of them. So everything you're hearing is being recorded through the BooMax system right now. And this is dope right here. They got this little flap here that holds your magnetic pieces. You know what I'm saying? That's dope. I like that a lot. But anyway, that's the case. Waterproof, I like that. All right, and so you have the case right here. Perfect, it's a basic case, got a little plastic. I love the rubber. It gives you a good grip on each side. In the front there, you can tell you how much battery life is left. And, and in the back is where you would plug in the USB-C cord in order to charge it, but you can also plug it there to do any updates, okay, for the system. All right. And obviously, like I said, I'm using the system right now, so I can't have it in my hands. I actually have the receiver plugged into the A74 right now, and this is the audio coming from all of that. I do have this one though, this transmitter right here. So let's talk about the transmitter real quick. In the front here, you have the opening for your lapel microphone. If you want to add a lapel microphone, that's where you would place it, right here. And then right here is the amazing part. These 2 microphones, you see 2 holes there. That's for the 2 polar patterns, which is omnidirectional and cardioid. Cardioid is usually is more directional, and omnidirectional picks up everything in the room. It's just, let's think of it like just a big circle. It just picks up everything. All right. Now on the side here, you got your button, you got your power, and you also have your mute. And under that, you have your linking, and you also have your denoiser. And then to turn on your recording feature internally, all right, because every one of these got 32 gigs internal storage. Dope. You just click on there to turn on the red light. Now, again, you're going to see a blue light like this. Now, if you want to turn on the denoise, it's going to turn green. Now, that means the denoiser is on, so remember that. And you don't want that usually. You want to usually stay with the blue. And if you want to record, you just press on this side and you see that it turned red. So that means it's internally recording, all right? So even if you're not recording to your camera, it's recording here. You don't even have to have the receiver on or doing nothing, and you're still recording, all right? So that's dope. That's what I love about these. When you're ready to offload your audio here, you have to turn off the system. all right? You have to turn off the system and then hook up the USB-C and it'll pop up. At least that's what I found works for me best. So just letting you know. Now for the receiver itself, it's an IPS touchscreen. It works very well, it moves good, and you can control everything out of this. You can change your polar patterns, your receiver gain, your transmitters gain, your EQ, everything. You can control it here as well, but my favorite part is controlling it with the dial. I love the dial, it's just easier. Now in the front of the receiver, you have all the information you need. The gain, the polar patterns, if you're recording or not, everything's in the front. You can read it, know what's going on, your levels are there. It's great, it's very functional. But again, I'd rather use the app. All right, and I'm about to turn it on. So we're gonna hit this then, and you'll see that like this, all right? And then boom, and there we go, all right? Now, I've already turned this one off, but if this was on, you would see the other one as well. And with the app, you could change everything too. You could change the stereo, mono, or safety. You know, you could change the gain, the monitoring. You see how much time you got left. Your recording, your denoise. Like I said, you have 2 levels of denoising, your gain, your mute. Everything's right here also. So right now, let me show you an example of an event that I used the BooMax on real quick.
Sometimes we have to leave, sometimes we have to leave the table, the room, the environment, the situation, the city, the state.
See, it sounded great, no problems. It was amazing, you know what I'm saying? And I really do like the sound of this because it's not too low, it's not too high, it's somewhere in the middle. And you can shape it a little more with EQ if you want to, but it sounded good. You can't front now. Come on. All right. So let's get this denoising stuff done, okay? Denoising, I am going to actually put on, there's a crowd of people around me, and we're going to see what happens, all right? So let me turn this on. Right now, there's no noise reduction on. And you hear it. You hear what's going on. This is with no noise, okay? No noise reduction. Now we're gonna turn it to low. Here we go. All right, so this is now low. 1, 2, 1, 2. What you're gonna do is the Comica BooMax for you. I got bars, keep telling y'all. Y'all don't listen. All right, so now let's put the denoise on high. Here we go, y'all. It's gonna kick in. All right, so this is what it sounds like with the denoise on high, and this is what it is. 1, 2, 1, 2. What you're gonna do is the BooMax for you. If not, you gotta keep it true. I don't know, I messed up. But anyway, you get it what I'm saying. So that's what it is, y'all. Let me turn this off. This is what it sounds like without anything on but it high. This is what your voice sounds like. And so I'm gonna turn it off, and there you go. Now, I will always tell you to keep it off. You want to do your noise reduction usually in post, where you have some flexibility, because once you do this on set, all right, it's baked in. You cannot change it. So that's only for extreme cases that you really, really need to do it. But 99% of the time, I would say just wait and do it in post, because we have some amazing plugins nowadays that voice isolate, people, especially in DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve, I think, has one of the best voice isolating systems that there are, period. But anyway, that's just my opinion. All right, so now I want to test the polar pattern out on this to see exactly what it sounds like from the omnidirectional to the cardioid. Now, right now, we're listening to the omnidirectional. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Omnidirectional should pretty much be all the same, pretty much no matter which way I face it, to a degree. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the omnidirectional. Now this is cardioid mode. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the cardioid mode is supposed to be more directional and not everywhere. Okay, so let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2. From the back, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hey, I don't know. Hopefully it's doing it, because you should hear it more when it's facing me and less when it's away from me. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And this is what it sounds like. This is cardioid. There you go. Now, in full transparency, I did have sometimes where the app didn't want to connect, but that could just be my version that they sent me, you know, the early version or something. I don't know, but I let them know about it, and I haven't seen anybody else talk about it. So maybe it's me, but I gotta let you know it happens. But if it does happen, it's easy to fix it. Just go into your settings from the receiver and just go all the way to the Bluetooth and reset it, add it back, confirm it, and then go back into your over here to your app and click to add device, and then hit start scanning. So that's all you have to do. It'll pick it up fine and it'll be fine. It's not a deal breaker for me, but I just want to let you know I did, you know, happen to experience that once in a while. This is definitely for content creators like this, people who are in a run and gun situation, events, weddings, pretty much any scenario where you need a microphone. The only place where I would be careful with this is, again, for podcasting, because I really think the best thing for you for podcasting are dynamic microphones. That's just going to be your best bet. And until these microphones actually get that good to where they can change the polar pattern to a cardioid dynamic type microphone, that's going to be crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping one day we can get there, but we're not there right now. My personal opinion, I think that the omnidirectional on this sounds better than the cardioid version, but it might be different for you. At the end of the day, it's just my opinion, but that's what that is. But the fact that they're even including the thought of adding cardioid to this, it's just an amazing thing, and it shows you how forward-thinking Comica really is. And I'm looking forward for them to actually getting it just perfected where it truly is a cardioid. And now we have two polar patterns that we can pick from when dealing with these types of microphones. That's just going to be amazing. That would be my con, that the cardioid ain't as good as the Omni. So I would say keep it on the Omni. Do I have any other cons? Not really, other than the app once in a while for me, wouldn't pick up. But again, that could be just my situation. All right, y'all. So now you're listening to the Comica BooMax directly like this. Like a lot of y'all like to use these. I don't usually use them like this, but I know a lot of you do. So I said, let me go ahead and do it. And this is what it sounds like. Of course, it's going to sound good because it's directly at me. These things always sound amazing when they're like this. But this is what it sounds like. 1 2 1 2. What you're going to do is the Comica for you. I think it is. It don't rhyme. I know. It's all right. But no, I really enjoy these. I really do. And hopefully this is something you've been looking for, because I think this is really at a good price point. It gives you everything you need. Everything you need. If you're a person who needs a set that can take care of your content creation and your run and gun situations, this is the complete set, okay? The only thing that would make this more complete if they added 2 lavaliers, all right? That's the only thing that would have made this like ridiculously ridiculous. If they added 2 lavalier microphones, it would have been a wrap. You can't do nothing with this price point with everything that they're giving you. It just ain't. It's just truth. Anyway, if you're interested in these microphones, I would appreciate it if you use the link below. It gives me a little something at no extra cost to you. Just help support the channel. That's about it, y'all. So appreciate you, appreciate your time, and that's about it, y'all. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.